Emerging from the Roadside. Summary. This chapter explores a biblical story of the blind men in Jericho who cried out for Jesus despite opposition. Their journey represents the experience of new believers who first hear about Christ and must step out in faith and persistence to receive spiritual sight. Many Christians remain saved but stuck, continuing to struggle with spiritual, emotional, or personal burdens. Jesus calls believers to leave the roadside and step into God's purpose, rejecting distractions and embracing His peace, healing, and direction. True transformation begins when believers recognize obstacles, stand firm against negative influences, and boldly respond to Jesus' call. The chapter ends with an invitation to seek God wholeheartedly, ask for spiritual vision, and experience the fullness of His promises. Vocabulary words for Chapter 7. Number 1. Persistence. Continuing firmly in an action despite obstacles. The blind men showed persistence by crying out to Jesus even when the crowd tried to silence them. Number 2. Negative. Harmful or discouraging thoughts, feelings, or influences. We must reject negative thinking that keeps us from stepping into God's purpose. Number 3. Transformation. A complete change in condition or character, often for the better. True transformation happens when we fully surrender to God's purpose. Number 4. Obstacles. Things that hinder progress or movement forward. Spiritual obstacles can prevent believers from fully embracing God's calling. Number 5. Influences. Things or people that shape thoughts, decisions, and actions. Be mindful of the influences in your life. Surround yourself with people who encourage your faith.